What's up, guys? This is my 2000 Civic DX Hatchback 5-speed manual. This car is a clean title, one owner, all original. It's got bumps and bruises, faded paint, but this car is in good shape for given, you know, what it is. These are hard to find these days. Runs good, drives good. I smogged it this morning. The paint on the roof, not good. But it's original, and that's what people want. It has the original California plates. This would make a good restoration candidate, K-swap candidate, or whatever you'd like. It's all stock, which is cool. Not a single modification. Body's really straight, except for the fender has a dent right there. I'll show you that in a second. It is original paint, which is good. No rust. California car since new. The fender bumped up against something. But those headlights are original too. Honda, super good shape. Like I said, I don't really get these as much as I used to. I've been slacking, you know, because prices have gotten way too high and people fight over them if you try to buy them, and it's kind of crazy. So this car is and shouldn't last long. I'll show you the interior. It has all the original glass too, including the windshield, which is cool. No repaints. Even has the original Civic floor mats. 162,000 miles. Factory cassette player and a 5-speed. Worth it in itself. Original booklets, and I did smog it today. Oil change is good. Yeah, this car is a gem. Even the sun visors are good. Headliner's good. Has the package tray, which is cool. And this trunk shuts nicely. Original glass. Show you the motor. It does have air conditioning too. It does not work, but it does have it. So that's a good thing too. A lot of these don't have air conditioning. As far as factory AC. Runs really good. But yeah, if you're interested, price is gonna be $5 grand firm, not a penny less, because you can't find them like this anymore. Thanks, guys.